Magica. I may we and my okay, cut first, cut. Hello guys, we made this alkansya. It is a minion. My mom said we will make it into minion. That is why I will practice reading while doing a video. Okay, hold on. Yung charger ko yan. Okay, may Elsa book. Frozen, look and find. Why do I have to even read this for the video? When Princess Anna first discovers her sister Elsa's magical power, she thinks it is wonderful. Look around this winter wonderland to find these things the two sisters made. Thanks to Princess Elsa's icy magic. Yan yung igloo. Yung snow angel. Ito. Okay. Now let's skip. All the way here. Okay, so we're done. I really need to go to the bathroom so badly. Hold up. Came from the back. Okay, back to the video. So, what we will do is, I forgot. Subscribe for part 2. Bye. Wait, no, let's not end the video, I want to do a house tour, but literally doesn't feel like I don't want to. Wait, it's not recording. Hi guys, just brushing my hair and looking at the camera and hey.
Why down you smiling with a
Just brushed my hair. See you guys on part. Bye.